I got that on camera, buddy. Better brake control. No, I'm just kidding. True.
Sometimes they do it, and sometimes they don't. Heck yeah, you guys ready?
Yeah.
Downhill.
You want to go first, Frank?
Up to you.
That's fine. I'll follow you. Thanks for calling that. Woo! Yeah, I'm good. I was just following you too close. What's up? Yeah. I think I may walk this bit. Maybe. We'll see. I'm going to start further up. I was following too close to you and almost went over the bars. I see what you were trying to do. Nah, I'm good. I probably would have done it if I didn't see you lose it like 3 times trying to start.
Don't worry. Okay, I got this.
Fucking. Yeah, I'm good. I don't like following you.
Don't make it look too sketchy.
Huh?
Or just make it look sketchy.
Yeah. The line choice is something.
Well, I followed him on the line choice on that one. Like that was not my line choice. That was me following him. I can follow you if you want.
I don't know if it'll be much better. But yeah, that's fine.
It's up to you. Well,
Anything to know about?
So it's probably similar bullshit to that.
Okay.
Kind of like bouncy Rudy, come around the corner and there's like, what the fuck is that?
Yeah. You're like, this is rideable?
Yeah. I believe there's a bigger drop in the right hand corner somewhere.
Okay, stop before it, yeah?
I'll know it when I'm in it. I'll stop. I'll start yelling or something.
Okay.
Or you'll find me on the ground.
Either or. All right. Drop. 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 Oh, fucking hell. Yeah.
That's something I like a lot more.
Drop. Phew.
Yeah, that
Dude.
that last thing's kind of like, oh my god.
Yeah.
That was sick.
There'll be an overlip on the right that will stop that.
Okay.
Follow or lead.
You're faster through flow, so go ahead.
I was like, let me try and do stop this one. Nope.
Dude, that's looking like So that gets you in the picture. Yeah, I want to be in the picture.
Wow. That's nice.
Hell yeah. 1, 2, yeah.
Come on, Gozy.
Let me just...
Colors are so crazy.
You want one? He's like, I ride here all the time.
I have too many pictures of the same thing.
Ooh.
But it's always very nice to get a new one.
Oh, shit.
What's the wall? A line? Yeah, little beetle straight down the middle. Beeline. This way.
If you cut that tight, I don't know if this big bike will make it.
I don't think it will.
Yeah.
I think the big bike line is the roll line,
Yeah.
but I'm not confident I'll stop before that root ball. Yeah, let's do that. Ow! Fuck, Frank! You're just rolling your bike into me, and I'm trying to roll mine back, and it's getting caught.
I rolled it into you?
Yeah.
I didn't even feel it.
Oh, you literally got to go.
Yeah.
Well, actually, I mean, if you went here, but that's like, you want to go off this.
Yeah, because the thing is you got to get your back wheel up and over that where
Yeah.
it's standing so it doesn't get hung up. And then allow your front to not get hung up.
See?
There's a small lip
Look
right
what
here,
you did.
so you can just point it down and just stop.
Yeah, I don't know if I have the,
See, this is something I would totally try if there was run out.
What do you mean? The run out is
That's not run out for me. but-
rhododendron.
Yeah, exactly.
the run out is cliff.
The run out is aim for the bushes.
Yeah, and then this way you kind of just bounce your way down.
Yeah. The thing I was telling him is like this bit is actually tougher with the big bikes.
True.
So, I'm wondering if you could avoid this altogether.
You come this way.
Yeah, and then you just kind of like, you come here, and then just kind of like,
Last thing you want to do is put your wheel any type of crooked on this.
right, it'll just slip.
Because this is all that super slippery. Like it's got like a.
Yeah, I mean, this isn't grippy either.
No, so you have to go straight on it, or else. I've also seen people eat shit going straight on it. So. Again, they try to turn.
Yeah,
But you kind of have to.
because this is scary.
Yeah.
Because, like, you have to, like, you don't want to just dip down on the brake because you're just, boop.
Yeah.
I'm not going to lie. I think I'm going to walk this today.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna walk it too.
Yeah. Like you said last night. Skip a feature to ride another day. I would try the beeline, but I think the bike is honestly too long.
Yeah, I did ask.
Like, you'd have to do some sort
I
of...
could do this better on the whip lead than the.
The thing is, your back tire will just bounce down with a few little steps.
I can give it a shot. I mean, let's see. I'll go the beeline way. That's relatively low. Worst comes to worst, I put a foot down. Ooh. Yeah.
Yeah, so think about where your rear tire is.
Yeah, no, I know.
See how it's kind of. It's like pretty lined up, right?
Fuck. Damn.
Yeah, it's kind of hard to start there.
Yeah.
The problem is you have to like have a little bit of momentum coming into it.
Yeah. All right. Third time's the charm. If I can't get it on the third try, I'm not doing it.
Nice.
Well, yeah, no.
Yeah, no. Fuck yeah, that was awesome.
The long bike, I literally, when I would want to turn, I felt my rear in the wall, and I was like, that's not happening.
Even if I took the wide line with this, the wide little go.
I mean, that's about where Lucas went, but still.
Yeah, but his front wasn't on the root.
I have 2 inches more to play with.
Yeah. Oh, stopping.
Oh, this is the climb? That makes sense.
Oh yeah, that is very nice. Yeah. He said he's stopping really quick. I think he said snapper pick.
Don't know when I'll be back.
No, you're good.
It's darn pretty.
All right, we're going down. Do what?
This is a rock garden. Leads to a drop.
Stop.
It gets real interesting real quick.
Oh, shit.
Fuck yeah, clean the whole thing.
It's a rock garden. Leads to a drop. I would take a look at it.
This bit?
That bit.
Okay.
It's like B lines to the right. A line, maybe not today.
Most of the way there for you.
Oh, I see. I kind of see the way you went down. I can give it a shot. So he hugged left all the way.
I like your left there.
Yeah. This doesn't look bad.
Doesn't look bad. Yeah. And then make your way down the center and right of the big rock. Because you can go off the big rock.
Yeah, no, I'm not doing
But
that.
then it's like bottom out.
Yeah, no, I'm not
full
doing that.
Snap your neck.
Everything bottom.
It gets. It's not as steep on the other side of that big rock.
Fucking hell.
You just go this, or do you enter through that gap?
Come down on your left.
You'll hit this. It'll roll directly onto this. And then by the time it hits the ground, you'll be on this drop.
So you
Yeah.
actually roll it straight over that bit.
Yeah. Not this.
Correct.
You want to avoid that.
Fucking Christ.
But just kind of hit this, and then I like to aim to the right of that root. Ideally.
To the right?
Or sorry, to the left. Keep it on the
Okay, I was
right.
about to say.
And then make it out.
Yeah.
Again, full bottom out if you want it, but
Well, Frank's on the bike to do it, but
Yeah, I'm
that is a slow tech drop.
I'll just back up off here.
You just backflip off of it? My man.
I will get the video ready.
Oh, it's already rolling.
but then this all washed out, so your front can wash super easily.
Yeah. I am not doing that. That is above my pay grade.
Yeah.
This, I think I could kind of bumble through.
This is a world of sketch right there.
Yeah. It's super slippery.
See. Yeah.
Super slippery.
Stop slipping.
Fuck yeah.
Damn.
Holy
looked way too easy,
shit.
Made that look really easy.
And he's, yeah, I think
I'm walking down. I know that already.
with how much he was sliding around, I'm not confident I have the brake control for that. All right.
Yeah.
We'll give her a whirl.
Have fun, don't die.
Oh my God. Damn. That is. Yeah. I don't got it. I just I'm on the brakes too hard. And I don't have the confidence to
You gotta maintain momentum here, like your buddy was doing.
That's what I'm saying, like, My brake control just is not there. Not when it's this slippery. If these were grippier, I feel okay. But
Let me try again now that I know. 3 times the charm, right? 3 times the charm. No, you're good, you're good.
You might want to forego this bad boy.
Yeah, I'm done.
That's so slippery, dude.
I don't have the brake control for this.
This is all about 100% from me.
now I wonder, you get a few days to let it dry out.
Oh,
It's been raining nonstop, so these are all just dirt on here. Right. Like, and you don't get any rubber that's been built up.
I went the dumb way. Yeah, I mean, like, even just like barely touching the brake right here with no weight on the bike and it's sliding.
Dude, the crazier bit to me is not the traffic.
Yeah. Yeah, well, you gotta have those days. Right after it.
I don't know where I fall to be able to like.
Skill wise, yeah.
Pointing them, yeah.
I think you're doing great.
Is this the queue line for the fun?
Yeah,
All right.
I suppose.
You bring your tickets? Hopefully.
Yeah, have a good one, guys.
Enjoy, guys.
Take care.
Go higher. If you want me to. Drop! Woo! Oh!
This is one of my favorite sections.
Yeah?
Fuck yeah.
Yeah. When like I don't know, like in the beginning of the morning, I'm always like,
Oh yeah.
it's bumpy.
No.
You guys ready to go?
There's a little clearing up here. So I can't go away.
Yeah, that sounds good. Oh.
I'm marrying me. It's one of my favorite sections of trail.
All right, then you go.
No, I just go for it, dog.
No, dude, I don't want to hold you up on
You
your
don't
favorite
hold me
bit.
up. I
On
ride
your-
this with the dog in the mornings, and she fucks with it.
And she fucks with it. Whoa!
I was about to pull, and I was like, wait, that might not go well.
Yeah, it's a good thing you didn't. Yep. There's two more behind. Oh, bitch! I had a full-on front loose, like down the root, sliding across the.
That's what I was like, I did not trust that one part. Was it the one that I was like, did you hear me?
I went over all that and caught up to you like instantly, but the front went.
That's why I was like,
The whole bike went around. I foot planted on the hill, kicked off, and then went right back downhill.
that's exactly why I brake checked like a motherfucker at the point. I was like, this does not work.
Yep, I'm right behind you. Dude, that video, I was this close to you the whole time.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, we're cruising. Oh yeah. Dude, that section is